Hey guys, hope you're right. Plenty of mistakes today, man. A lot of mistakes. All had to do with position size and risk management. I took some really stupid trades at the beginning of the day. And yeah, I just kind of was underwater from there and couldn't draw myself out of it. So let's start the day. This is my first trade on ES. I copy traded my live account with my 3 FTT accounts. And I saw that we closed 3 30-minute candles above the previous day value area low. And in this new 30-minute candle, we just made a new high and we're coming back to retest this 24 EMA right here. And we also made a new high on the 5-minute. We're one-time framing on the 5-minute, although we're starting to protect the previous bar highs here. And this is a warning sign now in hindsight. In the moment, I didn't see it as such because look at the delta. And I just thought that, okay, this is going to be a quick reaction of the 24 EMA. We're going to go higher. But what I didn't keep in mind is that this was the after hour sessions, not even London. And the volume was so low that, yeah, let's just see what happened. And I'll explain my thought process throughout the trade. So right now, I'm figuring that if I'm going to enter this 24 EMA, my invalidation is going to be right here, below the local lows, right here below the 5-minute pivot low. So with a 1 mini contract size, this is insane. Why? Because my daily loss limit is $250. So you'll see just now that I enter a trade and instantaneously I get underwater, right? So look at this. This is just like in real time. And you can see that I didn't want to exit because I wanted to wait for this 1 minute candle close. And by the time this 1 minute candle closed, look at where it closed, right? Like, yeah, I just was so much underwater that I figured, okay, I placed my stop below the lows, but this is above my daily loss limit. And this is a problem. Why? Because I have my rhythmic auto liquidation set. And once I hit 250, my accounts are going to be locked out of the position. So I won't be able to trade them anymore. So from the first trade, this was a really bad trade because my risk management was completely out of the window from the first trade of the day, right? So I should have entered this trade with 1 micro or even enter with 1 mini, but wait for a reaction, right? Like don't just like set a limit order your first trade of the day. It's just, yeah, not accounting the risk of losing the trade. I just didn't take that into account at all. But yeah, nonetheless, the previous day value low was a really strong level. And while we are around here, I decide, you know what, like if we're going to lose the previous day value low, we have plenty room to fall towards the 1 hour trail. So yeah, I just don't want this to be the last trade of the day. So let's see what happens. So right now at this point, I'm $225 underwater. And I figure like, right, like look at this. This is just like so annoying. Like hopefully it's going to come back. The previous day very low is going to hold. I am minus 162 at this point, and yeah, minus 150, minus 125. Some hope that the previous day very low is going to hold, so I closed it right here. Why? Because I figured, you know what, it's the first trade of the day. I don't want to risk price just moving impulsively lower. So it can just stop me, and I just have to end all the trading day right here, right now. So I didn't want to do that, so I just closed for minus 160. But let's see what happened. Price fell a little bit lower, retested the previous day vanilla low again. I'll speed up really fast. And then look at what price did. So the actual low held, and yeah, price just went and back tested the view up. Can you believe that? Like, I got frustrated here, but I didn't let that. Yeah, anyways. Moving onwards, I traded the mini chart. This is the micro chart, but I entered right here on the 8 EMA backtest. I know this is not a playbook style trade. Furthermore, it's still during the after hour sessions, not even London. So, no, this was London actually. This was London. 50 minutes after London Open, but still the volume was really low. We pushed higher, we rejected from the daily open, and this is the first backtest of the ATMA, right? So we reject from a tier 2 level, and I enter on the ATMA with 1 mini, My stop loss is $70 away, not even 20 ticks. So it's really close. And yeah, but it goes initially in my direction for a little bit, but I don't close it. And then I just get stopped. And of course, I hit my daily loss limit in 2 trades, 2 1-minute trades. What can I learn from this? I can learn from this that never ever start the trading day with 1 mini. Build your way up, build a pad. I have these rules written in my room across above my screens. I see them every day, but still I didn't respect them. So this is so frustrating because yeah, I just lost $1,000 in 2 trades. Not even in New York session. This is just like so early in the day, so I'm just so frustrated with myself. But nonetheless, the day moved on, and look at this. I decided to buy an Apex evaluation account, and keeping in mind that the 30-minute is one time framing to the downside, and we still didn't touch the value area low. We front ran it, but we started one time framing on the 1 minute, and this 5-minute engulfing candle engulfed all of these 5-minute candles that took price lower, and we rejected here from the 24 EMA on the 5-minute chart, right? But what happens? Like I enter with 1 mini, and I didn't realize that this is my live account. So I didn't switch to the Apex account, and I let the trade play out on my actual live account with my live funds. And let's see what happened. So I wasn't even in profit at this point. The trade instantaneously started to go against me. Again, it came to break even. It started to go against me. Right now, I've been in profit this 1 minute candle, just a 1 minute candle, and it wicked and it closed above my entry. And from here, price just decided to go higher and higher and higher. And I didn't close the trade here. I didn't close the trade here. I didn't close the trade here. I just let the trade hit my invalidation. And yeah, this is how I lost $1,000 on my live account today. Pretty stupid, if you ask me. Like, I don't even know how that happened. Even now on ES, I'm still trading the live account because I'm tilted and like, yeah, I lost $750. I want to make some money back. Let's see what happens. We backtest the 24 EMA. We have a bullish 5-minute structure, but we close this 5-minute candle with a big buy sell wick here. And yeah, this is a bearish sign. Now in hindsight, we backtested the 24 EMA on the 30. And this is also a supply into demand flip. If you look here, we made this low and then we backtested it, and now we're backtesting it again. And I enter along here. My stop should have been below these lows actually, but with 1 mini that would have been a lot. So I didn't do that, and let's see what happens. What did I show on the other screen? Let's see. I think I entered a another position on the NQ. Yeah, so this is on my Apex account. I entered the Apex account, another long here. And let's see how these trades played out. So I got stopped out of both trades, yeah? I'm minus 1K on my live account and minus, I don't know, 200-300 on the Apex account. So pretty rough start of the day. Like, yeah, this is not even New York Open. And I entered the Apex account again. I lose again. I entered the Apex short now because we lost the 1 hour trail and the VWAP, and I just entered this scalp short, and I take back $200 from the market in this trade. And the next trade is 1 hour before New York, and it's a long with the Apex evaluation account. I also took another long on the previous day very low with the live account, but I just got stopped at the wick because I placed my stop loss right here at the lows, and I got wicked out and the move just reversed. So I got really annoyed on the trading on my live accounts because I just didn't want to lose any money, and because of that I just put a too tight of a stop loss, and yeah, it stopped me out $60. It reversed, and now I'm in profit with these 4 minis, $700, and I close the trades pretty soon. I close the trade here. So the Apex account is sitting in green at this point, but my live account is destroyed. It's like minus 1K. So right now I'm still trading the Apex evaluation. I took this short during New York Open. So New York Open just now. This was a nice trade. The backtest of the NY VWAP, 3 contracts, place my stop at the overnight low. Let's see what happens. You can see price is starting to reject. Delta is moving lower. And at this point, it just went lower and lower, and I started to scale out. But yeah, nonetheless, price just went so much lower. Okay, still trading on the Apex account. We're losing this 24 EMA, and I enter a short here. Let's see if I win this trade. Initially, it goes into my direction. It closed below the 24 EMA. I also took it on ES here on the Apex account as well. So 2 trades on the Apex account, same trading idea. On ES, I close it for $100, and on NQ, I also close it for $100 or something like that. So I did pretty well on the Apex evaluation, and now again, I'm trading the live account. Look at this. We actually rejected from the 24 EMA here on the 5-minute. This is the 1-minute chart. You can't see it because it's also the micro chart. But I'm basing this trade on the fact that the 24 EMA came lower and we're backtesting it again. My stop is above the high because this is a 5-minute pivot as well. So yeah, let's see if this trade plays out. It's a 1 micro trade. So yeah, not too big of a deal. I am $30 in profit. I lost 1,000, so this doesn't make any difference. Let's look at the PNL. So look, I was minus $960. Now I'm minus $940. So yeah, it's pretty funny when you look at it. Again, trade on my live account. We lost the 24 EMA. This is pretty late during the session. I think it's half an hour before, or during power hour, or half an hour before power hour. Yeah, but we lost this 24 EMA, and I entered a short here. And yeah, I took 2 take profits, and I moved my third one really lower because I thought that, yeah, maybe it's going to go really low. But yeah, I just decided to put my stop to break even, and I closed that trade for, yeah, a break even. And right now, this is the Apex account. I take this short based on the rejection from the 24 EMA. We front run it, we close below it on the 5-minute. I'm $150 in profit. But yeah, it just didn't work out. I took the same trade on the live account here on ES with 1 mini. And yeah, this trade didn't really, I tried closing the trade, but it didn't work. So right now it came back and it was at break even. So I decided to exit again here at break even. So yeah, I was $100-something in profit, but it didn't count. So this is how I actually closed the day. Yeah, let me show you my accounts, all my accounts here. So first thing to note is that I made $962 on the Apex evaluation, but I lost $884 on my live account. I also lost $250 on my 3 FTT accounts, and I also purchased another 7 FTT accounts. So right now at the moment I have 10 FTT accounts and 1 live account and 1 Apex evaluation. But this live account is, man, hospitalized. So yeah, it's pretty bad. Yeah, this is how I ended the day, guys. Pretty rough trading day. Not much else to say. I'm, yeah, just in a bad place because I didn't respect my risk management. That's my biggest problem. Like right now I am overfunded, but I need to stay under leveraged. I don't need to get anywhere close the 1 mini position size unless I have a solid pad of $200-300 and I want to risk those profits to make more. And yeah, that's the only scenario I see myself entering another one mini position size. But other than that, man, I'm just going to stay on 1 or 2 micros until I build the pad. And after I build the pad, if I have a nice level, I can increase my position size to 3 or 5 micros. But yeah, this is where I'm at. I don't want to repeat my mistakes. The day before yesterday, I lost a lot of money because I got tilted. I let my emotions take control of me. But now I don't want to do the same mistakes, and I need to change something. So I'll start with the risk management and work my way to mastering my emotions in the meantime. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. The goal for tomorrow is to make a couple $100 on all of my accounts, and I won't trade the Apex account, and I'll just leave that for when I hit my daily loss limit, or who knows. Guys, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.